can you view Instagram without an account? So if you want to see someone's Instagram account, or if you want to use Instagram without an actual account, then you can simply open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'll be here with Chrome browser. Simply open up your Chrome browser and then go for instagram.com. So after tapping, after typing instagram.com, you will have this kind of page, right? So what you can do is simply tap on that search bar, and then here what you have to search is instagram.com, and then the username of the person of whom you would like to see the account. After entering their username, you can simply search for that. Here it will show you the profile of that person, so you can simply scroll down and you can see all of the photos or the videos or the reels of that person. So you can simply see or view someone's Instagram account like this. So that's it. That's how you that's how you use Instagram without installing the application. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.